This is how to reset an oil maintenance light on the 2017 Nissan Titan Diesel. So unlike other Nissans I've worked on that use a shadow box to control the driver information center, on the new Titan you just use this arrow button here. We scroll over, goes through all your gauges, your def level, diesel exhaust fluid, and eventually we get to the maintenance screen. Here we go, settings. So once we're here, we use the up and down arrow to control now. And we go down to maintenance. And once we're there, hit enter. And then here we have oil control system, oil filter, air filter, tire, brake pad, brake fluid. They have a lot of stuff you can reset in here. So here we're in the oil control system. And once we're there, we hit enter. And it comes up to oil control system. Now once we're here, we just hold down the enter button for about 2 seconds and the reset light will come up, go up, yes, reset, and then to back out, hit the arrow there, and now we can reset air filter, tire, brake pad life, engine coolant, diesel exhaust fluid, other. So there's a lot of stuff to reset, but that's basically how to reset all your maintenance lights. 2017 Nissan Titan Diesel.